everyone, today we're diving into rich culinary tradition of Batanes with a special dish called Luñis.
This Ibatan delicacy is made with pork, belly, rock salt, and whole garlic cloves, and it's absolutely delicious. Let's get started.
For this recipe, you'll need 1 kilogram of fatty pork belly. It needs to be cubed. 1/4 cup of rock salt. 5 cloves of garlic and needs to be cooled. First, you season the pork belly with rock salt. Make sure it's evenly coated. Heat a large wok over medium heat and add the pork belly fat side down. Cook it until the pork starts to render some fat.
Once the pork has ended some fat, add the whole garlic cloves. Continue frying the pork and garlic in the rendered fat, stirring continuously until the pork turns golden brown and crispy.
And there you have it, a traditional Ibatan Luñis with a garlicky twist. I hope you